Richard, you should add where there is a boss they have to defeat. I can't wait for when you get 500 subs and make that game for Danny. Okay, so first off, this comment was in a Danny video that I posted, and it was just as a joke. But if I do get to 500 subscribers, which we probably won't, but if I ever do, I will make a video game specifically for Danny to play, and Danny to play only. But anyways, since I'm not making a game for him right now, because we are nowhere near 500 subscribers, but I am adding him into the video game as a boss. Thanks a lot, Richard. So while I'm making this boss right now in Blender, I will show you guys the gameplay thus far. A little tiny battle and a sneak peek of what's to come. And it's all thanks to you guys in the comment section. Drex, huh? Drex, you going to that weapon stash, bro? Huh? You going to this weapon stash? Huh? Huh? Sight. Let's go over here. Ranger, he's somewhere. There he is. Ranger, you're stuck, bro. Don't you know you're supposed to go around obstacles? What are you doing to the house, bro? What in the heck is going on here? Bro, my AI is just not so smart. There we go. Dang. It's not just a boulder, it's a rock. Now the moment you have all been waiting for. Danny! Bruh. Oh my god, this is not Danny. You know what? We're gonna keep it. And then we're gonna shade smooth. Boom. Oh yeah. It's looking more and more like Danny as we keep going. I figured Danny was missing one final touch, but I couldn't figure it out. Yep, there we go. Damn, now my pants are
moist.
It got pretty late that night, so I went to sleep. And let me tell you, I had the weirdest dream. So after having the most inspiring dream I've ever had in my whole entire existence on this planet, I gave Danny a gun. So thank you. You're welcome. But anyways, I really don't know what else to do with this Danny character other than have him shoot everyone in sight. You know, I don't know. Maybe you guys can give me some suggestions down in the comment section. Really, this video was just to let you guys know what I've been up to.